Okay, well today I'm going to be attempting to pick this lock here, which is a 6-pin solid brass Squire Stronghold. It was absolutely black when I got this lock, but polished it all up. It looks quite nice now. Got a few battle scars on it, but other than that, a nice lock. It's key retaining. Here we have the bitting on the key. There we have it. It's got one security pin on this one, which is on the 3rd pin, and it's got a little stubby spool pin in there. But what I found with this lock is very light tension. You need the lightest attention on that plug. Anything too hard and the pins just won't set. But there we go, it's got a code on there of SB50C, 6-pin solid brass Stronghold SPP. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, so I will be posting some more videos soon. Please leave your comments and please rate the video. Cheers.